Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to play Petite Minuet. In this piece, we introduce a new time signature of 3/4. So if you've been following along in the primer Faber book series, you've learned about time signatures, and 4/4 means that there's 4 beats per measure and a quarter note equals 1 beat. Now we have measures that have 3 beats or counts per measure and a quarter note still equals a beat. So just follow along in your music and you should be able to count to 3 every measure as you play. First, I'm going to walk you through the piece, then I'm going to play it counting. We start with our left hand thumb on middle C, that's my star note, and my right thumb is right beside it on D. So we play C, down to B, and then back to C. Now our right hand takes over, D, E, E, step down, step up. It's all stepping until we get to the second line, up to your F, and now we're on the second line, measure 5. G, G. Notice we don't go beyond G. We're not going to play our pinkies in this piece. Then back to middle C. Now measure 6. Step down to bass clef B that we learned in the previous piece. Back to middle C. Now we're going to go up to F. Step down, and then step down to your left hand, ending on middle C. So now I'm going to play it again, and I'm going to count to 3 for every measure so you can hear 3 counts per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Enjoy your first piece in officially in 3/4.